I've played violin for over 7 years, and I truly believe that this is the easiest and simplest guide as to how to play hot cross buns on the violin as a complete beginner. So I'm gonna walk you through every basic detail so that you get a grasp of this song by the end of this video. We will be playing in the D major scale, starting off on the D string by playing an F sharp. We'll be playing an F sharp, E, and an open D. Note that the open D will last 2 beats. So now we're going to do the same thing, but start from an up bow. While playing the F sharp, make sure to place both your first finger and second finger on the D string. So this was just the hot cross buns part. Now we're going to be playing the 1 a penny, 2 a penny part. For the 1 a penny part, we'll be playing 8th notes on the D string, like this. Do this with me. Ready, go. Ready, go. Now we're going to be playing the 2 a penny part, where we place our first finger on the D string, making an E. Okay, now play with me. 1, 2, ready, go. Ready, go. Ready, go. And now we're going to be playing the last hot cross buns. So for that, we'll be playing a down bow on the F sharp, which is the second finger, then an E using the first finger, which will be an up bow, and lastly a down bow on the D, lasting 2 beats. We will now be playing together using a metronome set at 50 beats per minute. Okay, now get ready. Place your bow on the D string, get your second finger set, and let's get ready to go. 1, 2, ready, go. I hope you were able to get through that part. If you struggled with it, go back and rewatch this section. Now we're gonna move on to an even faster tempo. This is 65 beats per minute, so same drill as last time. Put your instrument on your shoulder, get your bow ready, place it on the D string, get your fingers ready on the F sharp. 1, 2, ready, go. Now we're going to cover some of the common mistakes that beginners do while playing this song. The first mistake that they do is that they don't lift their right shoulder high enough. When I'm playing on the D string, notice how high my arm is. It's not drooping down below. It's just leveled. So be sure to raise your arm high enough, but at the same time, don't raise it too high and start hitting the G string. The second mistake that I see beginners do on this song is that they collapse their left wrist. While playing, notice how my left wrist is not bent like this. A lot of beginners play like this, but playing like this can cause really bad problems for your arm, and you do not want that. So be sure to keep your wrist straight. The last mistake that I see beginners do is placing their fingers too flat. While playing violin, you want the pads of your fingers to be touching the string. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want personalized help and guidance on how to play the violin, be sure to check the top link in the description so that we can book a meeting together. We'll discuss your goals and see how I can help you on your musical journey. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.